So coming to acids and bases, 2.15 activity, children. All of you open 2.15 activity. Page number 32. Okay. In page number 32, what is the aim of activity 2.15? Okay. To demonstrate. Right now, children, all of you aim to demonstrate presence of water of crystallization. To demonstrate presence of water of crystallization. That's all, children. Okay. Now, second, in that only, children, in blue box. Second question: what is the color of copper sulfate after heating? After heating, what is the color? White. Please write down white.
White.
Do you notice water droplets in the boiling tube? Yes. Do you notice water droplets in the boiling tube where you take copper sulfate, children? Here you will take copper sulfate 5H2O. On heating this copper sulfate 5H2O, it loses water of crystallization, and here, of course, you will see. Of course, yes. Okay. Where does they come from? It is water of crystallization. Right on. It is water of crystallization. CuSO4 dot 5H2O. It is water of crystallization. Add 2-3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. What do you observe? Right on. What do you observe? Anyone? It turns blue.
Sir,
It turns blue color.
the water of crystallization is restored. The blue color reappears.
Yeah. What do you observe means blue color. Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? Yes. Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? Yes. Because children, copper sulfate 5H2 on heating, it loses water of crystallization and becomes white. If you add water droplets, again it will become blue. Why it is becoming white means because it is losing water of crystallization. Many times in board exam, this came for 3 marks, children. Very, very important. Okay. Now this is over. Now let's go to the activities which we have left in the middle only. Go to activity 2.4. Can anyone say what is the page number 2.4?
20.
What is the page number?
20, sir.
20, sir.
20 at children. All of you please open page number 20. 2.4. What is the activity 2.4? Write down to demonstrate. To demonstrate, please write down aim to demonstrate reaction of metals with bases. To demonstrate reaction of metals with bases. Okay, children. To demonstrate reaction of metals with the bases. Now, what is the metal you will take? Zinc. What is the base you will take? NaOH. Okay. When you, I already told you the basis, basic reactions. Base plus metal. Please write down general reaction, all of you. Base plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Compulsory. Base plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Please write down general reaction also. Base plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. And the salt here you are getting is Na2ZnO2 plus H2 gas. Na2ZnO2 plus H2 gas. 2 sodiums, 2 oxygens, put here 2. How do you test hydrogen gas? It makes burning splinter to burn with pop sound. To burn with pop sound. And what is the name of this? Sodium zincate. This reaction in board exams, so many times they ask for 1 mark. 1 mark. Right reaction of zinc with sodium hydroxide. So many times they ask zincate, Na2ZnO2 and zincate ion. Na is +1, ZnO2 is -2 because this 2 goes up. Na2ZnO2. So many times they ask this question. Okay. Yep. Next question, children. 2.5. Activity 2.5. All of it go to activity 2.5. Children, activity 2.5 aim. What is the aim of activity 2.5 means? To demonstrate reaction of acids with carbonates or bicarbonates, because products are same. Carbonates or bicarbonates. Okay, children. As please write down general reaction. They won't give, you have to write. acid plus whether it is carbonate or bicarbonate, what you will get? Salt, water, carbon dioxide. Please write down general reaction. This is general reaction. This is general reaction. Okay, so let us take some acid. Let us take some acid. They have taken HCl, children. Let's take HCl. HCl, once we will see with Na2CO3. HCl, once we will see with NaHCO3. This is sodium carbonate, this is sodium bicarbonate. Salt in both the cases is NaCl only. And water is compulsory product. And carbon dioxide is compulsory product. Please write down carbon dioxide compulsory. How do you test carbon dioxide? It turns lime water milky. It turns lime water milky. It turns lime water milky. And many times in board exam they are also asking write the reaction of lime water turning milky also. That reaction also they are asking in board exam. So please write down. Lime is CaOH taken twice. Please write down. Plus carbon dioxide gives CaCO3 plus H2O. Milkiness is due to formation of calcium carbonate. Milkiness is due to formation of calcium carbonate. Please write down. Carbon dioxide is tested. How it is tested? It turns lime water milky. This reaction also very important. So children, they add 2 ml of HCl. What do you observe? They have asked one question. Beside what do you observe? Write down. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Children, carbon dioxide gas in chemistry, what they will call, you know? Can anyone say what is carbon dioxide gas in chemistry they will call? Carbon dioxide bubbles. The carbon dioxide gas which is coming in chemistry they will call it as effervescence. Effervescence. Spelling may be wrong, but that is the word. Effervescence. If ever you see any question, effervescence, think it is carbon dioxide gas. Okay, effervescence. CE, I think. SCNCE. I think this is C. Effervescence. Okay. So you write down carbon dioxide gas is a word. Pass the gas produced in any case through lime water as shown and record your observation. When you pass through lime water, what happens? When you pass through lime water, what happens, children? When you pass through lime water, what happens? It turns lime water milky. It turns lime water milky. You write down. You write down. In blue box, you write down. Record your observation. It turns lime water milky and write down this reaction. Write down this reaction. It turns lime water milky is important, okay? Please go to 2.6 activity, children, only. 2.6 activity. Please write down 2.6 activity. 2.6 activity. Can anyone say what is the page number, please?
21.
21.
Sir.
21 page. 2.6 activity. Children, to demonstrate neutralization. To demonstrate neutralization or reaction of acids with bases. Please write down general reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. What acid they have given? HCl and NaOH. Write down reaction. HCl plus NaOH. As we have seen so many reactions, I told you, NaCl plus H2O you will get. Okay. After writing this reaction, please check out the questions which they have given in the activity. First question. What is the color of the solution? Children, add 2 ml of NaOH in test tube. Add phenolphthalein. Only to NaOH. Children, only to NaOH if you add phenolphthalein. What is the color? Anyone? PCP. Only to NaOH.
Colorless.
Pink.
Pink.
Only to NaOH. HCl is not there. Only to NaOH if you add phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein in acids colorless, in bases pink, so it changes pink. Write down pink. base with phenolphthalein is pink. PCP, phenolphthalein in acids colorless, and in bases phenolphthalein, I told you so many times. Next one. Add dilute HCl solution to the above solution drop by drop. Is there any color change in the reaction mixture? Okay, right on. Yes, color disappears. Yes, color disappears. Right on. Yes, color disappears. Reason, compulsory reason. Without reason, I won't accept any answer because of neutralization and neutral salt. Salt is formed because of neutralization. Salt is formed. Now, children, he's saying add some more amount of NaOH, add again phenolphthalein, add about some more amount of NaOH. Okay, does the pink color of the phenolphthalein reappear? Why do you think this has happened, children? If you add some more NaOH and if you add phenolphthalein, again pink color comes because of write down more concentration of NaOH. Children, because NaOH we are adding more concentration, HCl will react with one mole will react with 1 mole only. If you add so much NaOH, that will go unreacted. Unreacted NaOH makes it to turn pink, right on? Yes, pink color reappears. Why do you think this happened? Means, right on, more concentration of NaOH, because of more concentration of NaOH. More concentration of NaOH. Pink color reappears because of more concentration of NaOH. Next 2.7 activity, page number 21, I think. A reaction of metal oxides with acids. Children, whether it is metal hydroxide, children, metal oxides are also bases. Indirectly, metal oxides are also bases on children. So acid plus base compulsory should give salt and water only. That's all. This is also neutralization. Instead of taking metal hydroxides, we are taking only metal oxides. So write down general reaction. Acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. Acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. Okay. So here take HCl and add Cu. Okay, children. So you'll get CuCl2 copper chloride plus H2. So children, here question is there. What has happened to the copper? Name the color of the solution. You can see down only there is answer also. The color of the copper changes to blue-green. The color changes to blue-green and the copper oxide dissolves. Because copper chloride is blue-green. Okay, copper chloride is blue-green. Color becomes copper. Children, whether it is metal oxide or metal hydroxide, remember always they are bases. Metals means bases, that's all. Metals means bases. Whether it is metal oxide, children, remember whether it is Na2O or NaOH, both are bases only. Whether it is CaO or CaOH taken twice, both are bases only. Whether it is MgO or MgOH taken twice, both are bases only. So acid plus base gives salt plus water. I made you do almost 60-70 reactions. I hope you remember all of it in neutralization. Please copy down. That's all, children. All the activities are over. In first video, I told remaining activities. In second video, I completed the activities. So all activities are over, children.